Hello everyone. So in previous video we saw how we install an Flutter app into an Android emulator. Now in this video we will see how to install the same app into an iOS simulator. So first of all we need to install Xcode because iOS simulator come inside that. So to install Xcode, click on this link over here and this will open the App Store page. Here I recommend you to download the Xcode from App Store. So to do it, click on this View in Mac App Store button and click on this Open App Store. Now here you will be seeing a Get button because I've already installed Xcode, so it's not showing the Get button here. So click on that Get button to install the Xcode, and after installing Xcode, open the Xcode and go to the setup wizard and accept all the license and everything what Xcode says until you get to see the Xcode launch window, something like this. Now after that done, if you install the Xcode for the first time, then you need to configure the Xcode command line tools. So to do that, copy this command and paste it in your terminal. So open terminal and here paste the command and hit enter. Now because it is a sudo command, so it will ask you for the password that you use to log into your Mac. So enter the password and hit enter. Now the Xcode command line tool is configured. Now we can install the Flutter app into iOS simulator, and to do that open the Flutter project that you created. So here is our Flutter demo project that we created earlier, and to install this app into an iOS simulator, select the iOS simulator over here. Now it will open the iOS simulator. Now to install this Flutter app into this iOS simulator, click on this play button over here. Now you can see the different stages of the build going down here. For the first time it will take some time, and after that done it will be a very smoother process. Now this is the Flutter demo app and you know about its working, and it just count the number of times this button has been clicked. So every time you click this button the counter goes up. So now after we have installed Flutter app into Android and iOS simulator both, we are ready to learn and create Flutter app. So from next video we will understand and learn the Flutter development. So that's much for this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.